Stop.
You know how creepy that is?
Do you hear a phone ringing somewhere?
We're on the search for the missing phone. Phone. Call it again.
What?
Call it again.
No. Because I left it up there when I was bringing the picture back to show you. Liam probably had it.
Dude, it really does smell like ass back there. I'm videotaping this whole stunt.
Why are you videotaping this whole night? I got something you can videotape. You want to check this out? Come on, put this on MySpace. Yeah, look at these.
It's disgusting.
I kind of.
Where did she go? Where did she go? Where did she go? Oh, where did she go? Where did she go? Where did the short one go? Leah! No!